Paint leaking and dripping out of nib? Here's what you need to do. Note that it can happen because it's probably flooded from overpressing, which means too much paint is being brought to the nib and can't be absorbed. Take a napkin and remove the nib. Wipe the nib carefully, wipe away the excess paint on the marker itself. Put the nib back inside the marker. As a result, you can get perfect lines. Remember not to pump the nib down vigorously, as this will cause flooding to happen again. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more useful tips and hacks from Artistro.